ये 9वीं नवेली का जो जनता ने आज इधर में आई हुई है, मिस्टर चर्चिल, उलेमाओं, फतेमा उलेमाओं, मलंका उलेमाओं, किरण, डेडेक, फेलिडियो साहब, अभिषेक, महुआ, and all my Panch Sarpanch, my block leaders, the assembly leaders, the district leaders, the state leaders, and my brothers and sisters from Goa, the assembly leaders, the district leaders, the state leaders, and my brothers and sisters from Goa. मुगाछो जेबकर, नमस्कार। आप लोगों को नमस्ते, नमस्कार एंड मुगाछो जेबकर। क्रिसमस फेस्टिवल का पहले आई वांट टू कॉन्ग्रेचुलेट ऑल ऑफ यू, the brothers and sisters from Goa. Your big festival is coming. Many congratulations. And also this month 19th, your 60 years of liberation is also will be celebrated. My respect and humble regards to all the freedom fighters and their families, and also I salute to my martyrs who fought for Goa. Thank you so much. Thanks a lot. मैं ज़्यादा बोलने नहीं चाहूँगी कि हमारा पहले जो था पूरा बात कह दिया। मेरे को हिंदी समझ में आता है आपको? आप तो हिंदी समझते, फिल्म देखते हैं ना? हिंदी फिल्म बहुत देखते हैं। मुंबई का पास में गोवा है, चलेगा हिंदी? कोंकणी मैं समझता हूँ, लेकिन जो बोलता है सब पूरा हम समझते हैं, लेकिन हम बोलने नहीं पाते हैं, लेकिन हम सीख जाएंगे। कोशिश करते करते हो जाएंगे। जैसे मैं पहले बोलूं, खेत जतलो खेला होवे, खेत जतलो politically against BJP. Everybody wants that BJP must go, not only from Goa, from UP, from Punjab, from India. Politically, everybody has seen their performance. Zero tolerance and zero governance. Only CBI, ED, income tax, and forcefully evicted the people, and they are trying to finish this country, the democracy, the constitution, the heritage. It is not only in Goa, in every parts of this country. They have changed the history in so many places. They are changing the history also. If they continue, my professors, my teachers, my social network, whoever is working, social sector, they know how they are destroying the history even. You know, 3 Nobel laureates. One is Amartya Sen, one Mother Teresa, and first it was Rabindranath Tagore. Amartya Sen, like Amartya Sen, the man, उनको भी हटा दिया नालंदा विश्वविद्यालय से, बिहार से। उनको लैंड लेके केस भी कर दिया। मदर टेरेसा, Blanca mentioned, she was very affectionate to me. Once, when Lebanon government was there, one day at night 12 o'clock, she rang me up and said, "Mamta, वो लेफ्टिस्ट लोग मेरे को एक हाउस कैप्चर कर रहा है, कैन यू हेल्प मी?" मैंने दौड़ा और जाके पूरा उसको सेव किया। just remember that day, after Babri Mosque demolition, when there was a big communal riots in Kolkata and everywhere. I was there on the road, nobody was there, even no government. Then I met Mother Teresa in Shialda Loreto School. It is run by Christians, the Catholics and all. So Mother told me, Mamta, what we are doing here? I said, Mother, what you are doing here? That relation we maintain. And when the Vatican, my invitation came, I went there. These mothers, the program. And after Mother also Prema is there, Other is there. I maintain best of relation with them. And do you think that only you are enjoying the Christmas festival? We are not. Yes,